In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word as a teleprompter. Have you ever found yourself needing a simple teleprompter solution right from your desk? Well, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through how to make your Microsoft Word document scroll like a teleprompter, perfect for presentations, speeches, or any scenario where reading smoothly from a script is required. First, let's start by opening the Microsoft Word file that contains your script or text. Make sure that your document is ready and comfortably formatted so that it's easy to read. To make it look more like a teleprompter display, you might want to adjust the font size or spacing if necessary. Larger font sizes and increased line spacing can help improve readability, especially if you're standing at a bit of a distance from your screen. Now, once your document is ready, here comes the interesting part, making it scroll smoothly like a teleprompter. You might not realize this, but your mouse is the secret tool here. If you're using a mouse with a scroll wheel, you're in luck. This little wheel has more power than you may have thought. Here's the trick. Start by heading over to your document and position your cursor anywhere on the page. Then simply press down on the scroll wheel of your mouse and hold it. You should feel a bit of resistance as you press because you're not just rolling it, you're clicking it. By doing this, you activate a mode that many people overlook, the auto scroll mode. While continuing to press and hold the scroll wheel, gently move your mouse downwards. You'll notice that your document starts to scroll down automatically. The best part is that the speed of the scrolling can be controlled by how far and how quickly you move your mouse. If you move your mouse further down the screen, the scrolling will speed up. Conversely, if you move it slightly, the scrolling will slow down. This gives you full control over the pace at which your text moves, allowing you to match it perfectly with your speaking pace. It might take a little practice to get the hang of it, but with a bit of experimentation, you'll soon be able to scroll your text at just the right speed. Remember, the key is gentle and smooth movements for a consistent scroll. And that's it. Once you're done or wish to stop scrolling, simply release the scroll wheel to exit the auto scroll mode. It's as easy as that. You've just turned your Microsoft Word document into a functional teleprompter using only your mouse. This handy tip can really elevate your work and make reading from a script so much easier. We hope you found this guide useful. Be sure to practice a bit to get comfortable with the technique. Thanks for watching and see you next time.